Hey y'all, it's Indy, the CEO. And as you can see, today I'll be doing a frontal install over Locs. And as you can see, this girl has a head full of hair. So what I'm doing is just braiding her back, making sure that the install will be flat, you know. Yep, you want to make sure that you don't have to make sure that the braids are crispy because it's going to be under the wig. You just have to make sure that you get all the hair out of the way. Make sure that you're getting all the thickness toward the back and not toward the front. As you can see, I did a little braid. I did braids and I did a little twist just so I can ensure that the install would be as flat as I needed it to be. And there it is. So what I'm doing is just tucking her hair because it's so much hair. And I use some of the hair to bring it back forward to make it flat as well. But as you can see, it's still kind of thick. It really depends on thickness of the person's hair, how flat their install is going to be. Okay, and then you want to go ahead and slick them edges back. I love olive oil's wig grip for this. Okay, so as you can see, I do have 2 caps, one in the back, one in the front. When putting on that glue, you want to make sure that you're putting it on the top of the cap, if that makes sense. So you're able to spread the glue to the front, but it also gets on the cap. It's not hard. You guys will get used to it. Oops. I put a little extra right there, but you see I had to run it back a little bit. And I did put about 3 layers. The more layers, the more it'll stay. Okay, so now it's time to put this wig on. This wig is from Tinashe. I like Tinashe's curly hair, but for some reason this hair, it didn't keep its curl much. But I highly recommend them. Okay, after getting the wig on, you want to get you a elastic band or you want to get you an edge scarf. Yes, I do sell those in mostly all colors. You want to take advantage of those because it helps to lay the baby hairs and it helps lay the front of the install. When layer cutting the lace. I would not cut straight ahead. I would do like a zigzag fashion just so it'll look more. And then I'm calling this no. Okay, so this is the technique I meant as far as people curl their baby hairs before actually going in to slick the baby hairs. But everyone has their preference. Like I said, this is the elastic band. The first one I used was the edge wrap. I would definitely recommend. This is me moussing the hair. I had to like drown it in mousse. I would comb the mousse through, and then I would like play with it a little bit to make that curl come back out. Yes, ma'am. Okay, now look at them curls, honey. Yes, ma'am. Yes. Oh, and I just wanted to show y'all a snippet of how flat I got this installed. Yes, yes. And this was the final look. Thank you, guys. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.